Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Comic Man, and today we have a light up terrarium kit, which I purchased on Amazon. It looks pretty interesting too. This is like you could grow your own plants. So let's take a look. Okay, these are some of the steps. Let's get started. All right, let's first open the box. Looks like we have some seeds. Awesome. Looks like there's some stickers in the box as well. So we have stickers. We have our manual, our instruction kit. It looks to be in multiple languages. Interesting. Okay. So I'm guessing our kit will tell us. All right, so we have a small bamboo stick. We have a little decoration. Okay, this is pretty cool. We have our soil. We have our rocks. And we have some blue sand. We have this lighting thing, this charging cable. Okay, looks like that's it. And we have our jar here. And our spray bottle for water, looks like. And we'll fill that up with water. Let me do that now, actually. I actually have some water nearby. So we have our spray bottle. Okay, spray bottle is filled with water. This is like the tiniest spray bottle. Okay, spray bottle is filled with water. And let's get rid of the sticker at the bottom. Don't need that. So there's a light here, but how do you charge it? Interesting. Well, we'll find out how to charge it later. Wait, looks like there's a symbol there for USB. Oh, there we go. So we charge it this way. Okay, that's pretty cool. All right, so our first step is okay, we have our jar. First step is to open the soil bag and pour 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so we're gonna open this bag. And I'm gonna pour all of it, just 3/4. Okay, that looks good. Okay. And say spray some mist. If my spray bottle works. Maybe. So make sure the soil's even. You're gonna spray a little mist in there. So we have a bottle even, and we have some mist in there from the water. And now it says next step we add some blue sand. And pour a little bit on top of the soil. Not sure why, but then we'll get it across the soil. Okay. Oh, do I put all of it? It looks like I pour all of it. So it looks like they want all the sand. So all our blue sand is on the top soil. Now we add our rocks. So as I'm pouring rocks and spinning it, to try to evenly place the rocks across the surface. Okay. So we have our soil at the bottom layer, soil, our blue sand, and our rocks. So far, so good. And now they say the final, well, let's make sure it's flat. This looks flat enough to me. And to add soil as the last layer. So I'm gonna pour all my soil in there. So maybe it's too much soil. So let me get some soil back. So don't do what I did and pour all the soil in there. I'm gonna pour some out. And of course, it's gonna mess my layer up. So I have to scoop it back out. All right, my mistake. Okay. So we don't want all that soil in there. Okay. So I think that's good enough. All right, let me do a little cleanup first. Okay, much better. And we'll just get rid of our soil. back in the bag. Okay. Okay, we're back. So far we have sand, some blue soil, blue sand, some rocks, and more soil. Yours may look more cleaner than mine because I actually poured too much sand in, well, too much soil in. Okay, so now our next step is to spray a little water into the soil, to the soil. But this does not say how much water. Okay. Okay, so it says now to place our 2 miniature figurines into the soil. Okay, they're both in there. If you still have more rocks, you can actually decorate some rocks around the house. And now we have our seeds. We have our seeds from the beginning. And it says, sprinkle a generous amount of seed. So let's do that. So I'm putting the seeds around. And then they say we could use the bamboo sticks to bury the seeds. So I'm just gonna spread it around a little bit with the seeds. There we go. Okay. And now, this is spray some more water. And all these instructions are from the manual, guys, so you could try this at home. Okay, I'm actually putting a lot of water in there, just to make it clearer. Okay, there we go. So now, so it looks like we should water once a day. So usually once a day I'll water water the soil a little bit, but I think we're good for now. And we screw the lid on. There you go. And we have our lid on. And let's show you guys how it looks like inside there. There we go. And again, this is Colorbook Man. Thanks for watching.